Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on how to make your own rose water and how to use it. The first step in making the rose water is, well, to pluck a few roses. I've taken 2 pink roses from my mom's garden and I've removed the stems and petals and have soaked them in lukewarm water. I then went on and added 1 more white rose just for the fun of it. Next, you can take any pot and add the petals in some water and let it simmer on light to medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes until the petals turn pale. Next, strain the mixture to separate the petals from the water and store your lovely rose water in a glass jar. For those of you who don't want to store the rose water in a glass jar, you can store it in a recycled mini glass bottle like this one. Rose water works as a great toner. You can dampen a cotton pad with rose water and wipe all over your face for softer and clearer skin. Rose water can also be used for eye treatments as it cools tired eyes and hydrates the eye area. Rose water is especially useful for those with acne-prone skin as its anti-inflammatory properties helps in the redness and the swelling that accompanies the outburst of pimples. The cleansing action of the rose water allows it to remove oil and dirt from the skin and pimples, therefore preventing infection from spreading. You can run a cup of rose water through your hair after shampooing or add a few drops of rose water to your shampoo to help you condition your hair well. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!